Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to turn off DoorDash notifications. First, open the DoorDash app or website and tap Account. Under Account Settings, tap Your Account. Scroll down until you see Notification Preference. Here, you'll find SMS preference and email preference. Tap SMS preference to turn off text message notifications. You can disable order updates, promotions, and alerts. Next, tap email preference to stop receiving emails from DoorDash. You can turn off marketing emails, updates, and announcements. Make sure to save your changes before exiting. And that's it. You've successfully turned off DoorDash notifications. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.